Hello, this is the demo of the day for the GP2Y02 InfraRed motion sensor, which we are going to be using as a distance measurement here. What you have here is the mounting system, which is two servos, and the sensor is mounted to the top. The top servo controls the up and down motion of the sensor. The bottom servo controls the left and right motion of the sensor. The white that you see, the L bracket and the bottom mount on the bottom servo, is the 3D printed artifact. And I'll start this up here now, and you're going to see a very brief execution of the up and down here, just to show I could do it. And then you start, it's scanning now, scanning the room. Every one of those pulses is a sensor, is a servo movement. It scans for the distance 5 times, throws away the upper, throws away the lower, and it averages the 3 readings in the middle. And that's the completed scan. We have the Python script on the laptop generated this graph based upon the data. You can see a little bit of the data at the top shown. And what this represents is the distance. So if you'll follow my little cursor up there, a little light, the top part, anything near the top of the graph, indicates that it's very close to the sensor. And that piece right in the middle here, high, that's me, where I was sitting. The bottom part is the part of the room which is further away from the sensor. And what you have here, this is a previous run when I got out of the way. So you can see that the bottom part is much more, goes all the way to the bottom of the graph. That's because nobody was there, and the sensor was seeing the backside of the room. Okay, what you have quickly here is the Arduino. The Arduino is running the control for the servo and the sensor. It takes commands from the laptop, which is running a Python script. In reality, this sensor is a demo and not really the best for this purpose. You would use something more like LiDAR, L-I-D-A-R, laser scanner would do a much better job. I'm looking into them, and that'll be my next demo of the day. I know I can buy them for $35 to $50. The question is there's a few out there that claim to be LiDAR, and they're about $6 or $7. So I'm wondering if they truly are. But more on that later. Thank you.